Hi, I'm Lacey Morgan from King of Prussia Doulas, and this week we're talking about pumping at work. Pumping at work can really be a challenge because it requires that you be organized with many different parts to bring with you to work to be able to successfully pump. You need your pump, the tubing, the flanges, and the valves and membranes that connect to your flange, as well as a receptacle in which to collect the milk, whether it's a bag or a bottle. You also need a place to store your milk. And so a mom who is sleep deprived and exhausted, also has a house to run and a baby to care for, now has this added burden of keeping track of all of her pumping supplies. Here at King of Prussia Doulas, many of us have pumped, and in discussing how to make this process easier for moms, we realized that having some extra tools and tricks makes the job a little bit less stressful. Our first recommendation is to invest in extra supplies. So whether it is buying some extra membranes, buying some extra valves, having a store of storage bags in your office at work really helps to make the process easier. In this way, if you forget a particular part of the pumping process, you're able to have those extras at work. Kind of saves the day. Now, in my sleep-deprived days, I would forget the bottles quite a bit. And so I actually discovered this fun little hack. At that time, I was using this really neat attachment which allows you to purchase bags that have holes on the end of them so that they hook on to these little wings. It was a really nice way to simplify the process. I pumped directly into the storage bag that I was going to use. However, there were times that I just forgot. And so I discovered that if you use some basic office supplies, whether it is a plastic lunch bag or an actual storage bag, you could use a simple rubber band and this attachment to save the day. All you had to do was put the bag around your flange like so, take a rubber band, which is typically very easy to find in most office settings, and just like that, you had a ready-to-go receptacle for pumping directly into. This saved my day more than once. Another tip that we have discovered that is really helpful is to invest in a car AC adapter. By being able to pump in the car, whether going to work or coming home from work, if you weren't able to fit in a pumping session while you were at work, being able to add in an extra session on the way home really can make all the difference. This is a very affordable attachment, and it can add 1 or 2 extra pumping sessions into your day. Finally, one of our other favorite tools is a rice sock for your bra. These are microwavable. You throw them in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute, get them nice and warm, and then insert them into your bra. They warm up the breast to stimulate the baby being against your chest and warming your breast to tell them that it's getting time to eat. Once you are ready to pump, you remove the rice socks and you can initiate the process of pumping. We hope that you found this helpful. We'd love to hear your feedback. Be sure to check us out at kingofprussiadoulas.com. Thanks so much. See you soon.